In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get started starting your own business with my many years of experience, also starting from home many years ago, turning it into a studio, into a fashion house. But I want to share with you how you can get started and what you would need to take this into the next level and coming across as an absolute professional designer running your business from home. Whether you're a fashion designer with a degree or without a degree, you know that you can do it because you've got some years of experience and skills behind you. The most important thing is that you understand that people out there want to have clothes made to fit. That this is something you can start on the sideline or the hustle while you're still busy working in a company, building up your business, growing your clientele, and through word of mouth, as your business grows, you can eventually quit your job by taking this on as a permanent venture. The first thing we need to look at is what kind of skills and expertise and experience do you have? Because that could determine what kind of niche market you're going to go into. If you know your niche market, ask yourself, do you have enough experience and skills to go in that direction, or you're going to work yourself towards getting to that level? I'll give you an example. You might want to start doing, let's say, bridesmaids dresses. And you've got a fair amount of experience doing bridesmaids dresses, but you would like to eventually get into wedding dresses. So slowly just start off with what the skills and knowledge that you have right now. And your niche market now would be, for instance, bridesmaids dresses for bridesmaids, giving them that custom fit for the brides or bridesmaids or for evening gowns. By developing your skills, have a look at other videos or do some courses on Udemy on how to do wedding dresses, all that finer detail, that finer hand finishing details that you want to learn more about. Make it your hobby, because this is something that you're going to spend many hours researching and looking and trying it until you can perfect that. And that is part of uplifting your self-development. You're investing in yourself. And believe me, you're going to develop a kick-ass confidence attitude because you're becoming more and more of an expert of what you are offering your clientele. If I can share one main tip with you, is about taking correct measurements. If you want to have that absolute custom fit for your clients, you would need to take all the right measurements and as many measurements as possible. Because think of it, your client's going to come in for a design consultation with you and she will want this particular design, and you know that you need to take as many measurements as possible and obviously at the right proportions of the body, that when you are drafting the pattern, you know you've taken all those measurements, and when the client leaves, you've got all the measurements you can think of that you can use to draft a new pattern or take an existing commercial pattern and pivoting, slashing, manipulating, adjusting the pattern for that particular design for your client. So you don't have to phone her afterwards and say, please come back, I forgot to take certain measurements, because that's really going to make you look unprofessional. It's going to make you feel rather uncomfortable to have to ask her to come back, because you want to come across as very professional. Because think about it. If you're going to be offering services as custom designing fitted clothing, you are putting yourself out there as an expert and as a fashion designer. Therefore, you're going to be charging those kind of prices. And that is, you need to make sure that your whole professional conduct and that whole layout from the consultation is extremely professional. Look, you're going to become more and more professional as you gain more experience and more confidence. But I would like to just kickstart this to give you some more ideas to look and become more professional as quick as possible. So hi, my name is Tania Sutherland, and I've been a fashion designer for over 36 years, a fashion entrepreneur as well as a fashion business coach to help other entrepreneurs in the fashion industry how to get their business set up and put together, and how to have absolute certainty and clarity of what their niche market is. For those that are stuck in their business and they need to how to turn their business around just to elevate it, to generate more income, or how to double your business, double your income. So as a coach, I help you to get the results with strategies to become more successful in your business. If you like this kind of content and it's definitely the place to be, then how about giving me a like, press the share button, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave it down below. I'd love to come back to you. Let's look at what you would need. So everyone's homes are different sizes. You might have different types of rooms or different space available to you. So yes, use what you have. What would you need? You would need a cutting table. You would need your sewing machine and your overlocker and any other kind of machines that you might need depending on what kind of garments you're going to be constructing or what kind of niche market you're going to be going into. But you definitely need a place to store all your fabrics and your patterns, and something like a cabinet or a cupboard or a wardrobe. We can actually stack it away and it's nice and neat out of the way to keep your studio as neat as possible. Most definitely will need a full-length mirror for your clients to do a fitting that they can actually see themselves in the mirror. They would need to have a place to change where they can go and do their fitting, where you can actually pin and tuck and take the garment in on their body, where they stand in front of a full-length mirror so they can see what you are doing, and where you can advise certain areas need to be taken in more, lowered a bit more, etc. Creating that design that suits their body as well as their personality. You can always start off with the basic machines right now, and as you're growing and your business is growing and more income is coming in, you can always buy more machines and more equipment to actually grow your business to become and look more professional. Once you've got a bit more space, it's always a good idea to show off what it is that you are making, like having maybe 1 or 2 mannequins with your latest, newest garments on your mannequin, or something that you're really busy with, that your clients can see your amazing creative garments that you're designing, that they can see what you are doing. People need to see, people are visual. They need to see what it is that you are creating. They get so excited about the new designs. Believe me, this will actually make them want to have more garments made by you. Once you've got a bit of a fitting room and you've got a bit more space, you can also bring a bit of your decor and studio, or perhaps you have a completely separate area where is your studio and your fitting room. Bring in your decor, have a nice chair for your clients to sit down and to wait for you if they're waiting. Not too long, don't get them waiting too long. For them to try on, they can actually see your garments and actually feel your energy and the kind of professional look of what your studio looks like around them. You can even offer alterations to your clients. I have an entire course of how to do alterations, which you can do from home. You can add this in as an extra service because people always want to have their clothes fitting properly, and especially if you're doing exclusive garments for clients. If you know how to do alterations, that's definitely an extra service that you can offer. You can always source this out or get someone in to help you with the alterations if you're too busy, or learn how to do it and take alterations only perhaps on certain days, or they only can be completed in a certain time. You can work around your schedule, but it's definitely a service you can start when you are starting your business as an extra income to help you build your business. Just because you're working from home doesn't mean it's laid back and your clients can arrive anytime. You would need to definitely set your opening times and your closing times for your business, and your signage put up in your fitting room outside your building. They can actually see what your operating times are. Put this on your Facebook page, put this on your Instagram, put this on your website. Operating hours are, because people will definitely take advantage of when you are working from home. They will rock up at any time and just think automatically that you're already home. Why can't you see to them? And of course, you don't want to be rude to your clients, but you need to be firm and set boundaries, because you are taking your business very professional, and you would expect the same from your clients. Talking about being professional, you can create a digital business card that you can always send to your clients through WhatsApp or over email, when you are networking, you can always just drop your digital business card to people that you are networking and meeting. And also you can create a digital catalog of all the photos of the garments that you have made, so people can see what it is that you are making and what kind of designer that you are. People need to see it. They need to see what you are making. I can't emphasize that enough. Put all your reference of your work, your portfolio, on your Instagram post, on your Facebook page, on your website. People must see what you're all about. The more you're doing, the energy you're building, people are going to see your designs and styles. They're going to love it and they're going to order from you. You need to show enthusiasm when you are doing your adverts and when you are marketing yourself, speaking to your clients, because believe me, that energy is magnetic. Because what are people buying? They are buying that excitement from you, that positive attitude, the way you talk, the way you get excited about your clothing and your business. That is what they are buying. Never mind just the beautiful design. You are selling your work. So on that note, if you are your brand ambassador for your business, it is essential that you look like a fashion designer. You look like a fashion entrepreneur in the way that you dress, your confidence, the way that you carry yourself. And when you meet someone that asks you what you do, you have precise clarity. You're very certain of what it is you're offering for what particular niche market, and you even know more or less what your prices are. But that already just uplifts your self-esteem, your self-worthiness as an entrepreneur and also as an ambassador for your business. Wear your clothes that you are making, style them in different looks and different designs in different colors, etc., and take photographs, do short videos, put them on your Instagram, put them on your social media so people can see how to wear your clothes, what you are making, how you put it together, that you are an inspiration to them and you are showing them how to put the clothing together. Part of your skills and self-investment and self-development, it's about you learning as much as what you can, because when you are starting your business initially, you most likely would have to do most of the work yourself until such stage where you can actually employ or source it out to someone else to do it for you. So if you learn more skills about how to do your marketing on social media, how to do your own digital designs, how to edit small little videos, how to take your own photographs, how to edit your photographs, and when you do source it out, you understand exactly what those people would need to be doing and what they're doing and what you're expecting from them. So they can't take you for a fool, because you've educated yourself more and more in all the areas of running up your business. Go and do courses on how to do bookkeeping, how to save and invest money, as well as when you are ready, how to register your business, to register your name, and to do more branding around your business. This will come as you are growing your business. I have another course that I have written, which is called Stitching to Riches, that gives you the absolute A to Z of how to start your fashion designing business from home, from clarity of what it is you're going to be doing, all those ideas you have, how to narrow it down to have certainty, how to put it all together, all the things you will need from working from home, how to get started, how to market, from testing the market, understanding your niche, knowing what your ideal client would be, and how to actually launch your business. It's called Stitching to Riches. I will leave the link down below. The most important thing is that when you are talking about marketing, your clients need to know that you have a solution, that you are creating these beautiful garments that fits their bodies individually, that you are making them garments that are exclusive, that no one else is wearing. It's not available in the shops. It's exclusive to them, and you give them that consultation. You give them that time when you're fitting the garments to make sure it fits absolutely beautiful. But yes, that does come at a price. So fashion designers, fashion entrepreneurs, you must be self-worthy of who you are. Be aware of what you are and what you're offering, because it's taken you years to grow and learn this knowledge, whether you obtained a degree or whether it's taken years for you to get to this level of becoming an expert. How do you price your garments? Perhaps go and look at some exclusive boutiques in your area and go and see what they are pricing on their garments. That's more or less giving you an indication of what you could be pricing your garment. That isn't the final price. Could be a little bit more, a little bit less. You decide. But don't look at normal retail stores and want to charge those kind of prices, because you are definitely doing yourself in. Because this is not garments off a retail chain store rail. This is exclusive designer garments that you are making. Because fashion designers, you are creators. You are creating beautiful creations with your designs. You need to charge and take your business very professional so that you can actually grow your business. And this is your livelihood. This is what you are working towards, to create and design the life that you want through your business. So don't be afraid to charge, as long as you are giving impeccable, incredible, good service. You would also need to create templates. You would need to have a measuring chart. You would need to have some kind of pricing structure, terms and conditions, something that your clients would need to sign once you've done a design for them, to get their signature and their approval of this is all the design you're going to be designing for them, and all the little notes of the types of things that you spoke about, of the designs you're going to be putting into this garment, like beadwork, sequins, handwork, all the extra little things you're going to be doing. Add that all in, so that when your client signs it, you already have this agreement with them. And if they keep changing their design, changing their mind, changing the fabric, you need to add this on every single time, because every time they change something, it's a new instruction. It's an extra time and effort for you to go back to the drawing board and make all these changes at your cost and time. Make sure that you include it. It is very important for you to have a set of professional pattern blocks that are graded in all sizes, that you can use and have on hand when you are doing exclusive designs for clients. I will leave the link down below. Go and check out my website. I have a small collection of professional blocks which you can use to help you to grow your business, to offer beautiful designs in different sizes, knowing very well that you have got block patterns that you can adapt and change to use to create those beautiful designs. Part of investment and self-development as you are growing your skills, it would be a good idea, I suggest, is that you learn more about different designs and styles that suit different body types and shapes. I did this many years ago. I realized that I had all these. It's not just about fashion designing and pattern making. It's also about understanding the body shape, becoming more like an image consultant, as well as being a designer, having all that extra knowledge that you can give that extra level of expertise to your clients. This will also, once again, build up your confidence. Your clients will feel more confident with you. You have all this knowledge about understanding them and their body shapes, body proportions, and you are giving ideas and suggestions of what particular design would suit them best and why. Because what is your unique selling point or unique selling product? It could be you, your skills and knowledge that you are bringing forward to your clients, those extra skills and knowledge that you are sharing with your clients, plus all the exclusive fits, etc., that you are giving them, as well as that you're giving them that personal attention. That's what makes you more unique and different to someone else doing something similar, very close to you in your area.